Cable ties come in a range of styles to handle a variety of tasks. Let's look at some of the most common types you're likely to encounter and where you may want to use them. These are the standard type that most people are familiar with. They're known for their simplicity of use and quick installation. Barb tie cable ties are different as they have a more rounded head, lower thread force, and a metal tongue, making them more durable and longer lasting. Mounting ring cable ties carry a ring top head which is used to attach your bundle to a surface, such as a wall or table. Stainless steel cable ties offer the highest durability possible and are used when no other cable tie can handle the task. So let's look at a few applications where you would use cable ties and decide which ones are the most appropriate for the task. Here we have the back side of a panel. In order to keep our wires organized, we'll use standard cable ties. Now, to be clear, any type would work here. However, this task has no special requirements, so the standard will work perfectly. The next application needs a little more durability as it will be exposed to outdoor environments. In this case, we'll use the UV-resistant dome-top barb ties. As we said before, these offer a higher degree of protection than standard. It is important to note why we use black cable ties. Black cable ties were designed to offer greater resistance caused by UV light and are built specifically for outdoor applications. Our final application is going to run along the outer edge of a table. The obvious choice here is the cable tie with mounting rings. With a single screw, they quickly install in place and hold your bundle securely. All the applications we've looked at have an issue though, the tail of the tie. To remove it, you can use a snipping tool or even a razor blade. The only issue with this method is that it leaves a jagged, sharp edge. This edge can damage surrounding materials, especially when they're subject to constant vibration. In addition, it can cut those who unknowingly pass by it. There is a simple solution, however. An adjustable cable tie tension tool which works with nearly all of our cable ties. It gives the exact tension every time while removing the tail quickly, cleanly, and correctly. This tool ensures that you get the clean professional finish you would expect from a manufacturer or repair shop. All the cable ties and tools you've seen here are available at pacergroup.net. Your electrical solutions provider is home to over 9,000 high-quality products.